How to add new task on GoodTask for Mac. Hello everyone, this is Hanbum Kim from GoodTask. This video will explain the details of making a new task on Mac version of GoodTask. To add a new task, you need to click plus button on the top toolbar of main window. You'll see the new task window popping up. Press Command N for keyboard shortcut. When you press Escape key, window will go away and will be cancelled. You can also set global keyboard shortcut to open this window. Open Preferences and at the bottom of General tab, you'll see Global Keyboard Shortcut. Press Edit and type in your shortcut on Add New Task. By setting this, you can press this shortcut while you're using other apps to open this window. You need to have GoodTask opened in the background for this to work. New Task window is a floating window that goes on top of normal windows. As told before, pressing Escape key will close the window. Also, if title field is empty, pressing Enter on title field will also cancel and close the window. You can check if a task is saved by seeing how the window goes away. If it's cancelled, it just disappears. If it's saved, it should fade away. After you type in the title of the task, pressing Enter will save the task. If you press Option Enter, line will change. While entering the title, you can press up and down arrow keys to move between text fields. You can also move between controls with Tab key. Starting from title, it'll move to List Selection, Quick Action button, and Due Date, and then move to Notes field and Subtask field. Using space and up-down arrow keys, you can select and set lists, quick actions, and due dates. Button next to list selection is Priority button. Clicking it will change priorities from none to low to mid to high. When you have due date, X button will appear. Clicking it will clear the date. You can type freely in Notes field. Pressing Enter will change the line. To move to subtask, you should press Tab key or down arrow. Adding subtask will be done with Enter key. You can move between subtasks with up and down arrows. Delete key will delete selected subtask. You can also drag and drop to change the orders. Wherever you're at, if you press Command Enter, the task will be saved. This is keyboard shortcut for this Done button. Command Shift Enter is shortcut for Add More button. Add More will save current task and clear title text field with other values preserved. You can use this feature to quickly add many tasks with same values. Next is Text Snippets. Text Snippets is a feature that adjusts values by typing in text in title text field. If you type in exclamation mark at the beginning of the title and press space, priority will be set. Typing slash, an alphabet character, and then space will let you easily change lists. You can type in many characters, and if there is a list that matches the name, it'll be selected. Date and time can also be set with this feature easily. Type in 3/27 and it'll be set to March 27th. Typing 3 p.m. will change the time to 3 p.m. Details can be set inside Preferences, New Task, Text Snippets. When you click Edit button, you can select the ones you want to use, and also add or remove other options. You can set words for relative dates, specific time, weekdays, and adding or removing alerts. Inside Preferences, New Task tab, you can set default settings for new task. You can set default list and due date. If you have Use Start Date option turned on, start date will be shown too. When new task window opens, it'll follow this default settings. There are two alert related settings. If Add Alert when due date is set option is turned on, alert will be added when you set a due date on a task. If due date has no time, it'll follow next option, which is alert time for no timed task, to make alert on that specific time. Next is Contextual Options. Contextual list is an option to set list dynamically according to current list you're in. If you're in a reminders list, it'll be selected regardless of default list settings. If you're in a smart list with specific lists, first selected list will be selected. Also, if you're in a smart list with priorities filter, that priority will be selected automatically. If you're in a smart list with tag filter, those tags will be automatically added too. Contextual date is an option that selects the date on day, week, and month views automatically. You can click to move between dates, and adding a new task will have that date selected. One small tip is that you can right-click on a calendar and it'll show you option to add a new task on that date. Drag and drop to the date will also change the date of the task to that date. Contextual time is an option that runs when you have default due date and time set. If default time has passed, due time will be set to next upcoming hour. This is it for adding new task through new task window on Mac. One more thing, if you have text saved in clipboard, you can easily add a new task with the text saved by pasting with Command V while on main window. If the text has multiple lines, multiple tasks will be added. That's it for this video. If it was useful, please click like button below and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything to say, type it in on below comment section. Thank you all and get it done with GoodTask.